Hello and welcome everybody. In this tutorial I will talk about how to combine multiple vCF files or vCard files into a single file. Let's say you have several clients' names and phone numbers in vCard format. You want to add these numbers to your phone as new contacts. I will complete this task in front of you in two simple ways. The first method will use the command prompt and the second method using an online tool. Let's dive into the tutorial. So this is the first method. I shall use Windows command prompt. So first I need to copy all my vCF files in a folder on my desktop. I've already copied all the files. You can see all the contacts are here. Now just go to the command prompt and type cmd and navigate to the folder where you have copied the files. In the Windows operating system, I use cd command to navigate to any folder. Now I am using the cd command. Now you need to type this command: copy start.vcf all vcf. What it means that I am telling Windows to copy all vCF files to a new file named all.vcf and hit the enter key. You see that this command will combine all the vCF files into one single file. Let's use the dir command to list the file to find the all vCF file. You can see the all.vcf file is here. Now this file is completely ready for you to add in your phone or your Gmail account or your Outlook account. In the second method, I am going to use a free online tool. Let us head over to WebTechRiser.com website. This tool is available in this link. Click it. A new page will open. Here I shall find a link. Open the file browser, or you can drag and drop all your vCF files in this check bordered area. Let us click the link and open the folder where I have kept the vCF files. Select all and click the open button. This tool will then convert all the files in a single file one by one. Just we need to wait for few moments and it will be complete. It's still working, and if it finishes it will give us a helpful message that it has finishes. Yes, and now download combined file. The file has been complete and downloaded successfully. Let's open the file. Let us see what is inside the all.vcf file. I can see that I have all the information combined in this file. I hope this tutorial will be useful to you in any way, and I would like to thank you for watching this tutorial video. I regularly publish this type of video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and drop a comment. Share this video with your friend circle in your favorite social media. Goodbye.